guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna talk to you about my disappointment with a company called Apple. Everyone says it's a great company, good products. Well, I do agree. At least the software that I'm using and the MacBook Air M1 that I was using, it was working perfectly until I had a big problem with it, which is the internal display just broke without any reason. It's a shame because now, as you can see, I do have my stand, I do have my docking here, but I am missing my MacBook Air M1, the 2020 version. Okay, it's not the new Pros or the new Max models, but I'm gonna resume basically what happened. I was working here at night. I closed the cover. I went to dinner. When I returned to continue my work, I opened the cover and I had the display exactly as you are watching on their image on the screen, like that, with those lines. And after that, I reached the Apple support. Then they gave me the information of several stores, which I went to the iStore in Oeiras, near my house, delivered the Mac there, so they could repair, because I bought it 5 months ago, on the month 6, we are month 11, so it should be on warranty, which by everyone knows by now, it's bullshit, the warranties from Apple, okay? It doesn't cover jackass. They cover their asses as much as possible because they know these problems exist, so everything on the warranty that they have on their side is to cover their ass, okay? So be really careful when you buy a product from Apple and about the warranties they support on those products, okay? I'm learning now that it doesn't cover anything, okay? It's bullshit, and I'm gonna insist it again, really, just to take your money, or take money away from you. Like I said, I delivered the Mac, then I received an email from them on the same day saying there was internal display broken with an impact point, which when I look at that, I'm like, okay, impact point. So where did they get this information from, impact point? Because my Mac is always here on this stand, okay? Didn't drop on the floor. I didn't throw anything on it. The Mac is prestige, okay? There's no scratches, no nothing on the Macintosh. Only on the MacBook Air, only where I plug the docking station, there are little scratches on the side, but that's normal because sometimes I don't put it 100%. But besides that, the MacBook Air was fine, and there is zero, okay, I can put like this, issues about impact or dropping or everything, and the screen just broke from nothing. The sad thing is that, like I said, I discovered that the warranty does not cover it. And I have a repair cost, the display, 400 euros, plus the services, 109 euros, so total of 508 euros to repair my MacBook Air that I bought 5 months ago and cost me 1,000 euros. So now they are asking more than half of the price just for a display, where with 400 more I could buy a full computer. So I do not understand how this is possible. This is taking money away from us, and probably they just lost another Apple user, because this warranty, it's total bullshit again, and I will rephrase it without any problems. It doesn't work, and it's only to protect their asses, okay? Things important here. What I recorded the video about when the thing happened, because I wanted to record it. It didn't happen to me. They took photos on the store also, and then I went online and do just a Google, Apple broken display. Just try it by yourselves, and you will find out that I'm not the only one with this issue, okay? There are lots of people that had exactly the same problem with similar results as mine. They had to pay like I talk euros because I live in Europe, but they had to pay between $600 and $800 to fix the problem, which is stealing again, because they did exactly the same thing. They closed the cover, they opened it, and the display was broken. This is a problem that Apple knows that exists. They don't give a shit about fixing it, and they still keep selling the MacBook Airs like nothing has happened. Okay, if you are planning on buying the new MacBooks, the Pro Max or the M1 Pro or the M1 Max, or even the M1 the standard, which I have here, please take a look at this video. Make sure that the warranty covers everything on your MacBook. Otherwise, this will happen to you sooner or later, like it has happened to millions of people. And they do even have a lawsuit running in the States with people complaining about the same problem, and they don't do anything to fix it. So this is just a video to put you on alert before buying an Apple, before you thinking that Apple it's the best in the world, they take care of your problems, everything is solved when you have an issue. That's not true. And I'm unfortunately one of the guys that's going through this problem because now first of all, as you can see, I do not have my MacBook here. It's still on the store, and I bought it because I wanted a laptop. If I want to be, hey, I'm gonna go away soon, but I'm not gonna take it because now I don't have one. If I wanted something to just stay on the desk, I would have bought. I wouldn't buy the MacBook Air. I would buy the one that's a square just to stay on the table. I don't know which one it is, because then I could connect to my monitors and blah blah blah. But I wanted the MacBook Air because it is a laptop and I could take it away now that I'm going on vacation. And everything is ruined at the moment with this option. It's a shame that this company works like this, that they have these warranties that don't cover anything, because the warranty doesn't cover the federal laws of user laws also don't cover anything, and I'm stuck with a MacBook Air that doesn't work. So be careful with Apple and all the things that they say it is good, because nothing really works the way they want, and you are always the one that gets stuck with the bill. In my case, 508 euros to repair my MacBook. Having said this, guys, please, I hope this was helpful for you. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, subscribe, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!